Here is the unit without any power to it at this point. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to this battery. Check it out. All right, we're going to hook this thing up. Hook up the red to the positive terminal. Of course, the black to the negative terminal. So we are hooked up, and you can see as soon as we hook that up, this guy powers up, and it's showing the battery voltage currently, and then the temp. It's oscillating back and forth, and I believe this to be the temp of the battery charger, not the temp of the battery, because it does have a fan and it does cool itself. It does have some different modes. Right here you see lit up standard, then the AGM mode, a wet cell mode, motorcycle battery mode, and then repair. And what it says it does in repair is it actually pulses the current going to it so that it breaks up some of that buildup inside on the plates. And I have not tried that yet, and I don't think I need to on this one, but I want to go ahead and get it plugged in and get it charging. All right, we got it plugged in, and you can see as the bar there oscillates that it's showing 20% charged, and it's working on charging it the rest of the way. And so it shows what stage it's on, and it will oscillate here in just a minute between the different readings that it has, to include voltage, amperage, and then the temp of the unit. Once it switches to that, I'll show you what that looks like. So far so good on this charger. Went in and did a little reading on this DFS that it's displaying. It did not show this on the previous battery that I charged, and it does come with this manual. And in the manual it shows that the DFS mode is a desulfurization mode. And so it is attempting right now to repair. It's desulfuring the plates, and after it gets done with this stage, then it should show the current that it's putting to it in the charge stage that it enters into to fully charge it. I will put a link in the description for the battery charger on Amazon, and like I said, this is the second battery I'm charging with it, and it seems to work very, very well. The cost was under $30, so very, very good economical choice if it holds up. We have exited now the DFS mode, and it is showing 13.4 volts, so it has a little way to go to charge. It'll probably be a little over 14 volts when it's done. It's showing 24C, which is an ambient temperature reading, I read, which is the ambient in reference to the temperature at the actual charger. And it's showing that right now it is 60% charged, and it's putting to it a little over 9 amps of current. I like this thing. This thing really seems to work well. I love the digital readout, kind of showing you what's going on in the charging cycle. Okay, this thing has been charging for about a half hour now, and we're gonna take a peek at it here and see where we are at. And it looks like 13.8 on the volts, and looks like we're still running about a 9 amp charge, and we are still 60% charged. 45 minutes into the charging process here, looks like we're at 14 volts now, and we are 60% charged, just under 9 amps now going in. This can go up to 10 amps, but it varies based on need. And anyway, looking good. All right, just got back. About 5 hours have transpired since I put this thing on charge, and it is reading full on the battery charge from about 20%. So that is a blessing. I like this little charger. I hope this review helps.